Good morning students, welcome back to S.R.Tutorial. So today we are going to discuss regarding break-even analysis. So what do you mean by break-even analysis? It is a study. Break-even analysis is nothing but it is a study of break-even point. Now what is a break-even point? Break-even point is a point where the business earns neither profit nor loss. Okay, means the total cost of the business is equal to its total revenue. Okay, suppose you take a coffee shop and the establishment cost of the coffee shop is rupees 50,000. Now a point will come when the business will earn the rupees 50,000, okay, and run the business. Okay, so 50,000 the establishment cost of the coffee shop is acquired, okay, from the earning of the business. Okay, so after the break even point the business will start earning profit. Okay, and before the break even point is achieved, okay, the business suffers a loss. Okay, so this is all about written here, okay, regarding break even analysis. It is nothing but a simple study, okay, where the business, okay, arrives at break even point. Okay, break even point is a point, okay, where the total cost of the business is equal to its total revenue. Okay, and you can also say that where the business, it is a point where the business earns neither profit nor loss. Okay, so before the break even point is achieved the business runs in a loss, and after the break even point is acquired, okay, the business earns profit. Okay, that is what it is said in this short note regarding break even analysis. Okay, I have given a small example also regarding a coffee shop, okay, which started its business, okay, by from with rupees 50,000. Okay, so how it, okay, so after running the business it has covered at a point comes, okay, where the business earns rupees 50,000, okay, the cost of the business, okay, the establishment cost of the business, okay, and after this point of time the business will start earning profit. Okay, so this is a short explanation regarding break even analysis, and it is very easy, very clearly written. You just see the note. Okay, this will be very much helpful for your exams. Okay, you just take my note. Okay, I have given a very easy explanation. I hope you will understand what is break even analysis, okay, and what does break even point means. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, okay, and press the bell icon also. Thank you.